It is very simple to add alerts to the OBS Studio. To get started, open your web browser and search for Streamlabs. From there, click on your account in the top right corner and choose Dashboard. From the left panel, select Streaming Tools and then click on Overlays. Click on the new overlay button and select the resolution for your overlay. Click on Start and then select the Add Widget button from the left panel to add more features. From there, select Alerts and choose Alert Box. Go to Emulate from the bottom and select Top Event. Set your desired price and your alert will appear as shown. Once you've done that, copy the URL and click the plus symbol in OBS Studio. Name it as Alerts. Paste the link you copied before in the URL field and set the width as 11,920 and the height is 1080. Click OK and your alert will be added to OBS Studio. If you want, you can save your drafts on the original website as well.